Hi guys, it's Lakshmi and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reacting to Dhar Mann video. Yep, after a long break, we're going to react to Spoilt sisters fight over iPhone 13. Okay, so before we get into the video, if you guys are new here and if you seem to like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will always get notified when I post a new video. Without further ado, let's get into reacting. Let's start.
That was so fun. Don't forget to tag me this time.
All right, girls, come eat. Just give us a... It froze again.
No! Did it save?
I don't know, but I hate this phone.
Hey, don't throw your phone like that. You could break it.
Exactly.
Who cares? It's practically broken.
That's disrespect.
Why can't you guys just buy us new phones?
Yeah, the iPhone 13 is about to come out. Can you please buy them for us?
There's nothing wrong with your iPhone 8s. Now hurry up and come and eat before your food gets cold.
Exactly.
This sucks. You know, when I was your age, I didn't even have a cell phone. There was just a house phone. I couldn't even make a phone call without your grandma listening in on it.
Well, you were lucky to have a house phone. All we had was a payphone. Can you imagine what it's like to walk 3 blocks just to make a phone call?
Not this again.
Yeah, we don't care what life was like 100 years.
Wait. Okay, you don't care what life was like 100 years ago, but don't you care how your parents struggled? I guess no. Okay, let's continue.
I can't believe this. The video didn't save.
That means we're gonna have to start over.
You can do that later. Eat first.
Yeah, your mom worked too hard on this food.
Again. She just made spaghetti. And like, making spaghetti is not that hard. I mean, we have to work on it, but not that hard.
Well, if we just had new iPhones, we wouldn't have to re-record it, would we? Ready?
My God.
Let's go.
Complaints. Mom is fed up. Yeah.
Who's that?
My boyfriend. Put something on.
Trying. Why is it so hard to find something good to watch?
Have you checked Hulu?
Yeah, nothing. Nothing on Amazon either.
Check the Dhar Mann app. Maybe post a new video.
Dhar Mann has an app?
Yeah, it just came out.
Wait. I'm asking the same question. Dhar Mann has now? I think so, because if he's representing that in a video, then surely he has an app. Can't wait to check it out.
Oh. There it is.
Cool. How about Evil Babysitter Mistreats Kid?
I've already seen that one. Put on Mr. Feast Gets Kicked Out of Store.
I've already watched that.
So? I haven't. Let me see the remote.
No.
Hey, I mean, that's straight up rude. The slim girl. the slim girl was like, I've already watched that, don't watch it. And when the other girl was like, I watched it, she was like, so? I don't care. Like, if she doesn't care, then why would the other girl care? Okay, let's continue.
No, I'm choosing. You always get to decide.
No, I don't. Give me
Yes,
it.
you
no,
do.
I
Give
don't.
me it.
No, but
Just
it's
because
my
you're
turn.
entitled to
It's
your
my
argument.
turn. I get to...
Hey!
I hate to argue.
The day's just starting and you're already arguing?
Marla never lets me pick what to watch.
She always chooses.
Oh, why is it so hard for you to find something you both like?
Because there's hardly anything good out.
Well, it'd be different if Mila didn't like to watch dumb stuff.
I don't like dumb stuff. You do.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh my God.
You know how many channels
This is the
I had as a
only
kid?
downfall of having
4.
siblings.
And we never used to fight.
Okay, so?
Do you want a cookie?
Hey, what is with all the yelling?
They can't agree
I
on
just-
what to watch.
If you just got us our own TVs like we asked, then we wouldn't have to argue.
Yeah, why can't we have TVs in our room?
You know, when I was growing up, we didn't even have a TV.
Not this lecture again. We don't care.
Why?
All right.
Why don't they care? Their parents have been through a lot of trauma. They don't care at all. That's so mean of them.
Give me the remote.
Ooh.
There.
Hey, why'd you do that?
To stop you from fighting. We
That's
gotta
the
go. It doesn't
solution.
matter. Hey, we told Grandma that we'd be there at 10 o'clock. She's probably already got breakfast ready. Are you girls packed?
Why do we even have to go to Grandma's?
It's so boring there.
Oh, hey, that's
I don't know
weird.
what we're gonna do about these girls.
Okay, we're here. Could you two please try not to fight each other this weekend?
At least until we pick you up tomorrow.
Wait, we need money.
For what? It's not like you're going anywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
What if there's an emergency?
Oh, then use your allowance.
We already spent that.
Okay, fine. Here.
$20, that's it?
Where's mine?
You split this.
That's enough
What?
for them.
No way, that's not even close to enough. Give me 100 then.
$100. I used to get
Please spare us the lecture.
Yeah, how many times do we have to tell you we don't care what life was like in the dinosaur ages?
Okay, fine. You don't want the 20?
Well, for them, their parents are dinosaurs.
We'll keep it then. Because as my mom used to say, you can only appreciate something when it's taken
That's
away.
very true.
What? But
That is true.
Well, hello!
Oh, she seems so
Heard
sweet.
your voices out here. Oh my gosh, how much you two have grown. Come here, Mila.
I'm Ella.
That's right. Sorry about that. Hi, my dear.
Hey,
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
She
Now,
seems
are
sweet.
you sure you're gonna be okay with the girls until tomorrow?
Are you kidding? I raised you and 7 others, didn't I?
7?
I'll be able to manage these 2 just fine.
Okay, well, just keep a close eye on them and make sure they don't go anywhere.
Okay.
Okay, well, we'll see you girls tomorrow. Call us if you need anything.
Oh, I forgot. There's no cell service here.
there isn't?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Oh. Is that little blue box thingy over there?
Yeah, perfect. We can FaceTime.
Oh, great. Okay, you girls have fun. We'll see you tomorrow. Have fun with Grandma.
Wait, Dad. $20? Dad!
Come on in. I was about to make pancakes.
Now she wants $20.
This place is a dump. Seriously, it's like one two at a time.
No, it is not. It is actually pretty clean. I mean, she's so aged and she can manage everything. You should praise her for that.
Machine.
Why don't you call your boyfriend and see if he can come pick us up?
Great idea. What if Grandma asked where we're going? Mom told her not to let us go anywhere.
We'll say we're just going to the corner store or something. She'll probably take a nap soon anyway.
Okay. Hey, Grandma. What's the Wi-Fi password?
I don't know, honey. I'm sorry. I'm not good at these things.
You don't.
Sucker. 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 She doesn't know the password. These girls have to survive in that house without Wi-Fi. And I don't think these girls could. Let's continue.
Oh, the password?
No, sorry, hon.
Sorry.
How we could use our phones?
Oh, let me check under the router. Sometimes they put it there.
Nothing. This is horrible. What do we do now?
the house phone.
Okay. Hey, it's me. Could you come pick Mila and us up? Okay, cool. If you can come right now, we're at 9.
Hello? Who is this? Hello?
That was so embarrassing.
Funny.
Now what do we do?
We can call an Uber.
How? There's no service or Wi-Fi.
Exactly.
That's right. I guess we could just watch TV.
Yeah. Or hear me out, you gotta hear me out. Or you could just download something on your phone, like if there was something to watch on TV, because that TV looks a little too old, then you can download some YouTube videos on YouTube and enjoy. That's what I do. You're welcome. Let's continue. Okay.
What the heck? Black and white?
Try changing the channel.
Oh, don't tell me it's cartoon.
That's all there is?
Grandma, hardly any channels work.
Channels are
Sorry, Mila. What did you say?
It's Ella. Your TV only has 4 channels.
Yes, isn't it wonderful? So many choices.
Actually, it is wonderful. It's better than 1 channel. You got 4.
How are you happy with only 4 options?
Well, some people don't have TVs, so I'm grateful for what I have. Oh, I love that show. Keep it on.
That I would be so bored. I'm literally telling you, cause I don't like cartoon stuff. Like if they were like some black and white movies and stuff, then it would be so fine. But I don't like cartoon. I'm enjoying it. Next day.
Finally, all my texts are going through.
Yeah. I didn't realize how nice it was to have Wi-Fi until we lost it. That wasn't easy.
Well, I'm sure it meant a lot to Grandma.
As she said, you will never appreciate something until it's taken away.
That you spend some time with her.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, it was hard at first, but then it was actually really nice.
Really, I mean, she was so sweet.
What do you want to watch?
Oh, you can choose.
Wow. I can't believe you're not fighting.
Let's just say being at Grandma's really opened our eyes to a lot of other stuff.
Well, that makes me really happy to hear. But you won't ever have to argue about what to watch because...
We got a little surprise for you.
You got us new TVs for a room?
Yeah. Well, we got you one.
So one of you can use the new one and the other can take this one.
Wow. I don't even know what to say.
Everything okay, girls? Because I thought you'd be a little more excited about this.
We are. We just realized we don't need all those things.
Yeah, after spending time at Grandma's,
Oh,
I can't believe we complained so much.
such a
Honestly,
good
we're
kid.
just happy to have more than 4 channels. And cell phones.
Oh, that's
Are
fine.
these the same girls we dropped off at Grandma's?
I think so. Where's all this coming from?
Well, let's just say sometimes you can only appreciate something.
When it's taken
When
away.
it's taken away.
Thanks for helping us see that.
I am so proud of you girls.
So, what are we gonna do with this? Because I don't know if I can return it.
I actually have an idea.
So, what should we watch?
Anything you want, Grandma.
Ooh, this is so exciting. Oh, I'll get it.
Next, we gotta get Grandma a cell phone.
So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to just smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you would always get notified when I post a new video.